Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, January 18th. And you can see temperatures out there quite cold this morning in the single digits. And we expect another very cold night tonight with temperatures between 0 to 10 above. And we expect today with highs only in the teens and winds pretty gusty between 10 and 20 miles per hour. We're going to see wind chills between 0 and 10 below 0. So very cold out there today. We expect temperatures to very slowly moderate right on through next weekend, with highs climbing about a degree or 2 degrees each day, so that by the time of the weekend comes, we may even push 30 degrees. Lots of 20s this week with lows in the teens. And then next week, I think we're going to see lots of 30-degree temperatures as we climb near to above normal temperatures. And it's going to remain that way, I think, through the end of the month, with high temperatures near to slightly above normal, and overall precipitation quite dry. And we'll show you that in just a second. You can see on the satellite the colder cloud tops downwind of the Great Lakes with lots of lake effect snows in the snow belt areas, but only a few snow flurries or snow showers rather in inland areas. But we expect no big deal. We got a system coming this way for late Tuesday night into Wednesday that could bring a trace to as much as 2 inches. The best chance would be across southern lower Michigan as that system tracks through the Tennessee Valley, a little farther south on the latest models. So we'll keep an eye on that. It may be much to do about nothing. If we look at the radar, you can clearly see lots of lake effect in the traditional snowbelt areas, where it's going to pile up in even a more significant area to the east side of Lake Huron for our folks down there in southwest Ontario. If we look at the forecast map for this morning, you can see upper troughs continue to pinwheel around that big upper low, keeping the lake effect going here for at least the next 24 to 36 hours before I think that begins to lessen up as we get into midweek. And if we look at the forecast map, we'll skip ahead 2 days to Wednesday morning, when we see a low pressure system that'll be heading towards the Tennessee Valley, spreading some light precipitation, light snows to the north. But again, no big deal, as over the next couple of weeks, we're going to see the main storm track well off to our south, and that's going to keep most of the precipitation away from lower Michigan. And you can see from the WPCs what they're forecasted, other than the snow belt areas, mainly less than 1/10 of an inch over the next week or so. And if we look at the GFS model, you can see a large area back into the Midwest, and we're right in the heart of that, the MAC area. Outside of the snow belt, very little precipitation over the next 10 days. So again, no big storms in sight, with temperatures quite cold that will slowly moderate to near normal as we get towards the end of the week and for much of next week. And you can see on the 6 to 10 day outlook, now this doesn't indicate how warm. It's not going to be as warm as this looks, but we are going to be around or above normal for much of the nation. And as far as precipitation, this is the 8 to 14 day. If we slide back up to the 6 to 10 day outlook, you can see, again, pretty similar. It's going to be mild and dry for the next couple of weeks. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.